This is SDR News and Geekazine.com's coverage of NAB.
Hey, HP Storage Guy Calvin Zito coming to you live from the show floor here at NAB, bringing you live coverage with SDR News and Geekazine.com. And with me is Dory Gerwitz. Dory, we've partnered together. You've let me use your platform, Watchitoo.com. Why don't you tell folks that don't know what it is about Watchitoo?
Thank you. So what Watchitoo is, we've created a paradigm shift in the world really of collaboration and video conferencing. What we have done is we brought three of the leading trends that you see in enterprise and entertainment right now, which is video conferencing, really collaboration and online video into one solution that sits up there in the cloud. And the three really key components that makes our solution is very unique is that it's brandable, it's embeddable, and the most important that it's also clientless, meaning that no one needs to download any software to interact with it, which really opens up the opportunities for enterprises and entertainment. What's unique about this solution is that for the first time ever you can have up to 25 people on the screen while running any type of rich media content, while you can have hundreds and thousands of people viewing it at any given moment. You have the ability to chat, you have the ability to integrate with Twitter and Facebook, as you know, and so it really allows for live conversation. What's more, it has great, deep, detailed insight analytics, which are very important these days for us to know exactly who came in, when they came in, what they said. We have also tons of controls, which are also very important. So nobody can just jump in and do what they want. You can fully control them. Yep. There are full delays. You know, the system is very robust. It's now used in TV. It's the leading technology for social TV and online interviews. You can see it. Some of the people who use it are anywhere from Dr. Phil, the NBA, Glee, Bravo uses it a lot, Andy Cohen. So you can find it literally everywhere right now.
So a couple things I want to clarify. You set up to 25 cameras. These are people that are either part of the meeting, or in my case, I use it as like to do a live webcast. Correct. It's either people that are in the meeting or part of a show that you're doing.
Correct. So you can bring up to 25 people to actually be in the meeting or be part of the show, who can discuss and speak with each other, but you can have hundreds and thousands who are actually viewing it. So at any given moment you have a chat component there that people can chat, right. The producers can monitor it, and they can integrate it with Twitter and Facebook, which means that you really have social interactivity. So every time they chat, that chat and that tweet goes out to the social network and pulls them back into the event.
Yeah, and one of the things I love about it, I mean, you can have like that live audience. We've done shows with maybe 3 or 4 guests, we'll say, you know, the cast, and then an audience of, 50. Actually, we did one with like 200-300 people. Correct. But you can actually take that interaction that's going on with the audience and say, grab a question and drop it on the screen, and then let somebody that's on the show answer the question.
Correct. So one of the unique aspects of Watchitoo is really we are on the leading edge of innovation. So we bring all sorts of tools that from entertainment, where you can drag. We bring the green room, so you can pre-screen people, you can have private chat with people, you can even do live polls and clickable links and engagement as well. So it's a very robust and really allows you for deeper engagement and really create the experience, a very sticky experience, to ensure that when people are there, they really get the most out of it and the voice is heard, should you want that to be.
Well, in fact, here we are in the HP booth, and you guys have some activities that you're driving over there. Tell folks what you guys are doing in the booth here.
Sure. So what we're doing in the booth, we're actually streaming everything. So if you go, you can give us the address where it is, and then you can actually go and see this whole thing streamed live. We have NASCAR, we have DreamWorks coming in. We have some of the biggest names coming in to talk about the whole collaboration with HP.
So one last question. I know you guys are, you're partnering with HP. And part of that partnership is because you're using a converged infrastructure as your back end. Right. Tell me a little bit about your infrastructure and how you use HP.
Sure. So our infrastructure is, said, all in the cloud, and we were looking really for the best-in-breed partners to do it, who can give us a robust solution, a solution where we can take throughout globally, where all our partners, we know the clients would want that. And HP was the only one that we could really trust and put the technology in, that would have centers all around the world. Should there be any issues and challenges, there's always support there. And for us, customer support is key, especially when you deal with large enterprise or entertainment. They need their people to be there. They need hardware that they know, that they are familiar with, and not something just a black box that they don't know really what's inside and who made it.
Yeah. Well, Dory Gerwitz from Watchitoo.com, thank you very much for joining us here at NAB.
Thank you, Calvin. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.